Hey guys, so this video we're going to talk a little Harbor Freight. I want to show you these instant savings that are going on through August 13th because they work in conjunction with this coupon that's going to be available July 31st through August 2nd. I'm going to link this page from my website down below so you can get a copy of these coupons. But 30% off $10 and under for regular schlubs and 30% off $20 and under for Inside Track Club members. Now, the important thing about the instant savings page is these are sale prices. These are not coupons, so they stack with the 30% off. You can get an additional 30% off on top of these prices, and they are good through the coupon period. So something like these fuel cans, you got the 5-gallon cans, your diesel or your gas. They're on sale for $19.99, under $20 for the Inside Track Club members. You're going to pay $13.99 for the 5-gallon can, which is a really good deal. The ammo can, another one for the Inside Track Club members, taking 30% off that metal 50 cal. Ammo can is a pretty good deal. Now, the other thing is the 30% coupon will stack with Inside Track Club discounts, but right now the current discounts end on July 30th. So we won't know until the 31st what the new relevant Inside Track Club deals will be. So $19.99 on the 4-ton bottle jack. Only going to be $13.99 with our coupon. The bin wouldn't be too bad. That anyone could use the coupon on that one. Purity bit set, just posted one of those for Work Pro that's a little bit cheaper. If you look at the homepage of TheStruggleville.net, you'll see a Work Pro variation that's actually a little bit cheaper than that. You saw it wasn't this exact one, but they had the 15-foot 4-pack ratchet straps were actually a free item last week. Keep an eye on for that to come rolling back around someday. Would really like to see things that get close to the break points. This half-inch drive extendable ratchet, it's actually kind of handy. The ratchet mechanism is pretty clunky. It's not like the greatest in the world, but I do like being able to extend it out, especially doing like lug nuts or something if you have to do it manually. Don't have an impact wrench handy. Getting that extra leverage. It's going to be $13.99 for Inside Track Club members. Not too bad. I really like using the magnetic mat. I think I'm actually going to get that. The 30% coupon is a limit of 5, but that's not within the computer system unless they've changed something recently. It's more the individual cashier or store and what they'll let you use, because back in the day, I'd walk in and they'd tell me, no, just get as much as you want. But then other stores have been very strict about you can only get 5 items. So, actually, just a quick sidebar. When I went and got those free ratchet straps the other day, the store I went to had a table with all the free stuff right at the checkout, and there was a line. So everyone in front of me, if they spent, you had to spend $35 if you weren't an Inside Track Club member. I think it was $35, whatever it was. I am an Inside Track Club member, so I didn't pay attention. But you had to spend a certain amount to get the free item. Anyone who spent over that, they actually directed them to the table and said, hey, you can get one of these items for free because you spent $35 today, which I actually thought was a solid for that store. I've never seen a Harbor Freight do that before. I don't know if that's something that they're like pushing or wanting stores to do, but I thought that was really cool. I mean, people who didn't know about the potential free item, just got something handed to them. So anyway, I'm going to be going for the magnetic tool mat. It's going to be only $13.99. I've been kind of wanting it, and it's available there. And Inside Track Club, too bad it's not $9.99 for everyone to use, but get 30% off all your 10 millimeters is a pretty good one as well. So the free item coupon is going to be after this ends. I'll probably post it as a YouTube short because we don't need to do a whole video on it. I don't have the post up for it just yet, so I can't show it to you just right now, but it is going to be available, and I'll get it posted on the website as well. But I just thought that was kind of neat that we're going to get the 30% off. We can combine it with these instant savings. and that'll be available for the 3 days. Again, I will link this page down below so you have a copy of that coupon. And then I did have another video available for 10 items under $10. And, hopefully the pricing is still under $10, but it was at the time that I created the video. So there it is, guys. Just a super quick one. Make sure to subscribe if you like the Harbor Freights. We'll be getting some more Harbor Freight videos out. And even when I don't have time to do the videos, I always get the coupons posted on the website. So you can go up to the menu bar and go to Harbor Freight, see the latest posts, whatever coupons are available there. So thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.